Hello again, my precious. This is a new video on my channel, and this time it's a little bit of grammar, and it will be really short, I promise, but I hope it will be useful for you. So let's start. Вигук, interjection. So today we are going to learn a little bit about interjections in Ukrainian. Any language has interjections, and in Ukrainian we have loads of them because we like to tell something emotionally, especially in songs. And if you don't forget, I have a new video about Ukrainian culture, and it was about Ukrainian music. And there, in folk songs, you can hear loads of interjections. So feel free to watch this video. And now we are going to start to get acquainted with these interjections. Вивчимо правило. So, it's great that in Ukrainian interjections don't change according to genders, according to cases, according to any other things. They are just words, and that's great. We don't have to learn a lot. So, but we have some categories according to the meaning of interjection. So, the categories of interjections according to the meaning. Розряди вигуків за значенням. Емоційні, emotional. Or, it's like we see someone and say, or we just have an idea and we say, or. So, it can be anything. Or, na. When we give someone something, we say, na. Ой. We say ой, коли, when something happens. Something wrong. Or in the songs we can say ой. It's like a sigh, like something was very good, but now it's not. Or let's do something great. Something like that. It depends on intonation. Over. So that's the same as oh, but a little bit bigger when we say our emotional feeling about it. От тобі на. When we did something wrong or we noticed that something wrong happened, we can say от тобі на. And so on. So they're emotional interjections. There are more, but that's the main. Then some interjections that make us do some actions. For example, ahov. So ahov, it's let's go. Hey, let's do something great. Hets, it's go away. Hets. Or if we want to ask our cat to come, we can say kits, it's kitty, so come here. Or that's for horses when we want to stop it. Or actually we don't use it only for horses. We can say please have a breakup right now, you need to stop. So we can use it in this too. And of course we have the interjections of etiquette. So like прощай, bye-bye, спасибі, thank you, перепрошую, sorry or excuse me. And it's maybe not as interjection, but like words that they just recreate the sounds of animals. For example, in English the dog says bow wow, in Ukrainian huff huff. In English, the cock, the rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. In Ukrainian, kukeriku. And sometimes we can say хрясь. That's when we do some hit or punch. Or the sound of hoofs, tok-tok. Or the sound of high heels. And so on. And like animal sounds like in English meow, in Ukrainian nyav, and so on. And some examples. So emotional interjections, they say about our feelings, about our mood, виражають почуття, переживання, настрій або здивування розповідача. So emotions of the teller. For example, ого, на ціле літо? That's the whole summer! You're going to do it the whole summer! Or like that, виражають наказ, спонукання до дії. So it creates orders, or we try to make someone to do something. Like, киць, моя кішечка. Іди сюди, моя кішечка. Come here, my kitty. Цить, він, мабуть, спить. Цить, it means hush. Hush, he's sleeping. Цить. Or we want to close someone's mouth, we say, цить, я тобі сказала. So, please shut up. Цить. And the interjections of etiquette. Let's read in Ukrainian a little bit. Виражають привітання, прохання, подяку, побажання, сподівання або прощання. Сюди можуть також входити і цілі сполуки слів. Добрий день, будьте ласкаві, дякую, ласкаво просимо, добраніч, будь ласка, на все добре. So, these interjections, as I said before, they tell about, for example, requests, or gratitude, or some wishes, or some hopes, or saying goodbye. And here we have even not only one interjection like прощай, спасибі, but we have the whole phrases. Like добрий день, good afternoon, будьте ласкаві, please, дякую, thank you, ласкаво просимо, welcome, добраніч, good night, будь ласка, please, на все добре, goodbye, have a good day, take care. So something like this. And the sounds, the words that recreate the sounds of animals. Є вираженням акустичних уявлень людини про звуки, які зустрічаються у житті. Голоси тварин, різні шуми, звуки природи. So, that's the impressions that have a person of the voices of animals, different noises and sounds of nature. So, that's it. And let's see how can we use these interjections in the sentences. У реченнях. In the sentences. Той півень горлав своє кукуріку весь ранок. This rooster was screaming his cock-a-doodle-doo all the morning. And here, cock-a-doodle-doo, we use as the addition, like as an object. So, it can be an object. Sometimes it can be a whole sentence. Oh, боже мій! Oh my god! So, that's oh my god, боже мій. And as the words that we put in the beginning. Вибачте, де знаходиться вокзал? Sorry, where is the railway station? Excuse me, where is the railway station? Or like this, here. Ой, а що тут відбувається? What is happening here? Or it can just like a part of direct speech. So, няв почулося в кущах. Mew, it was heard in the bushes. So, here they are in different places. They can be. So, I hope in the sounds that I used in this video you have heard more examples. And if you have any questions about interjections, maybe you want to learn more or you want to learn about specific interjection, write me in the comments. I will answer it or make another video. So this is the end of our video. Hope you have liked it. I hope you enjoyed it immensely like I have enjoyed doing it. I hope it was useful for you, so give this video a huge thumb up, and please leave a comment if you want to know more. Suggest your topic, grammar topic, what you want to know, and I will make a video. And we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.